Stuck on waiting for network in Google Drive? Let's fix that in a flash. First, check your internet connection. Open a web browser and try visiting a website. If it loads, your internet's fine. If it doesn't, restart your modem and router. Still no luck? Contact your ISP. Next, check Google Drive's status. Go to the Google Workspace status dashboard and see if there are any alerts. If Google's down, all you can do is wait. If you're using the desktop app, try restarting it. Right-click the Google Drive icon, select Quit, then relaunch the app. Clear the cache by navigating to the DriveFest folder and deleting its contents. Restart the app. Update the app by checking for any available updates in the settings. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus might be the issue. Temporarily disable them and see if Drive works. Close conflicting applications and restart your computer in safe mode. If Drive works, find and fix the conflicting app. Reinstall Google Drive if nothing else works. Uninstall, restart, and download the latest version. As a quick workaround, use Google Drive in your web browser. And if all else fails, contact Google support. Problem solved.